First we solve this multiplication. 7 and 7 cancels out each other. That leaves us with 1 here. 7 divided by 1 equals 7. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have two operators present, division and multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first. If you notice, a number is getting divided by a fraction here. In this case, what we can do is we can use KCF rule, keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 7 as it is, change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip the fraction 1 over 7 as 7 over 1, which can be written as 7. And finally, we have times 7 present from the original expression. Now we have two multiplication operators present. We'll just go work from left to right. So 7 times 7, that equals 49. And finally 49 times 7 equals 343, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.